You think you know the Bible? Think again. Buried within its ancient pages are secrets so strange, so unexpected, that even scholars are still uncovering them today. These are 10 hidden facts of the Bible. Number 10. Forget the cute babies with wings. The Bible describes creatures called Ophanim, living wheels covered in eyes, and seraphim with 6 wings that burn like fire. In Scripture, the first thing an angel says is, "Do not be afraid." Now you know why. Number 9. Purple was once worth more than gold. Extracting the dye required thousands of sea snails, making it so impossibly rare that only royalty, like King Solomon, could afford it for the temple's curtains. Number 8. The cedars of Lebanon weren't just trees, they were the skyscrapers of the ancient world, towering giants of wood used to build the most sacred structures in recorded history. Number 7. Most people assume the Garden of Eden is pure myth, but the Bible gives a precise location. The meeting point of 4 specific rivers, 2 of which, the Tigris and Euphrates, still flow today. Number 6. The Nephilim, mysterious giants, born of the so-called sons of God. They were legendary warriors said to have roamed the earth before the Great Flood wiped the slate clean. Number 5. There are roughly 188 named women in the Bible, but many more remain hidden, unnamed figures who changed the course of history, like the woman who saved an entire city by dropping a single millstone. Number 4. God didn't simply create the earth. According to Scripture, He crushed the head of Leviathan, a monstrous, chaotic sea creature, as part of the creation itself. Number 3. Everyone knows the 10 Commandments, but the Old Testament actually contains 613 laws, covering everything from diet to ancient judicial ethics. 10 barely scratches the surface. Number 2. Noah's Ark wasn't a pointed ship. The original Hebrew describes a massive tebah, a box, engineered not to steer but simply to float and survive the deluge. And number 1. The Star of Bethlehem wasn't just a miraculous light in the sky. Modern astronomers now suggest it may have been a rare celestial alignment of Jupiter, Regulus, and Venus, an event they've traced to the year 2 BC. The Bible is full of mysteries hiding in plain sight. If even one of these facts surprised you, imagine what else is still waiting to be discovered. Stay curious. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.